Hello guys, welcome. So today I will be covering a video on how to install Avatarify. That's this is the direct installation on a gaming laptop. The list the specification is 4 gig dedicated video and graphics card, NVIDIA 4 gig. It should be, that's a list that can take this direct installation. So if your laptop is 1 gig dedicated, 2 gig dedicated, 3 gig, no, it is 4 gig that work perfectly fine for it. Now, so 4 gig and above, so let me put it like that. So the very first thing you have to do when you are installing, this is installation through files. You'll be installing through files here. So you click on this folder that will be sent to you. You use this this anaconda, this mini conda that's here inside the file that I'll send to you. This folder will be sent to you, yeah, after purchase. All right, so that's mini conda. So you can download the JIT, or you can also use this one. So install. All right. All right, so can use this. So immediately we are done with that, our mini conda is installed. Let's see what we have, and let's search for our mini conda here. Our mini conda is installed. To confirm this mini conda installed, let's confirm our JIT also is installed also. So we'll come to our file manager. We click on local disk C, we click on users, we click on let's click on MSI. Then you see the mini conda folder here. You also see then let's go to let's also look for our program files. You see the JIT folder. So what we have to do now is, while you are installing with files, it is very easy. While you are installing files, it's straightforward. So we'll go to the folder that was sent to us. We'll click on it. Then these ones, make sure you are extracting this thing with WinRAR. You understand? Extract with WinRAR so that it extracts like perfectly. So let's extract this one to Avatarify Python. It is easier to use, it's easier to install, it's easier to use when you are doing a direct installation. So at the same time, you can also do the same for the GIT. So I'm going to be explaining this to you in a way you can understand. And also, if you think you can't, maybe you can't follow up, maybe because of a rush or something, you can also just follow my steps exactly how I do it. Now, our Avatarify Python is still extracting, but our JIT is finished extracting. So we can come to JIT, copy the JIT we just extracted, go to, we are coming here, but you go to your local disk C, then you go to your program files. Let me start from here again. You go to your local disk C, you go to your program files. You see this JIT as here, you delete this JIT as here. So let's delete this JIT as here. Now let's paste the JIT we just copied. Okay, so we have copied this. Let's check if our JIT, if our okay, this is still extracting. So we have basically copied this. Very good. So our JIT is here. So we can leave our JIT. We can leave our JIT and now wait for this to finish up. Let's come to. So we are waiting for this to finish up. Alright, so Avatarify Python is that extracted. So what we have to do, we'll click inside this one, we'll copy everything here. You copy, select everything and copy. Select with Control A, Control A, select everything, Control A and copy. So what we do here is to come to our C, open it, then you go to users, you go to, then you see miniconda. Now what you have to do is to delete this miniconda. Delete the miniconda. Yeah, so basically what you are doing is that you are taking everything from an already installed file and putting it in on your laptop. So you paste everything you copied there, you put it inside this directory, local disk C, user and MSI. Your own might not be MSI, your own might be the name you have used to register your laptop, it might be your name or might be the name of your laptop, whatsoever it is, but it is user, then this directory, this folder, you see everything like this there. So we'll copy this inside there, we have to wait for that to also copy. Yeah guys, so we have to wait for this to be completed. Alright, so we are good to go. Okay, so another thing we have to do is to download GeForce experience. But when it comes to our files, we have done everything with these files. So the last thing we have to do is to download GeForce experience and continue with this. Yeah, so right now we'll go to our browser and we'll click and download. Let's say download GeForce experience, GeForce experience. So just click on it. Let's click on alright, so okay, that's very good. Okay, so let's install. Okay, So I go and install. Let's wait. So once it pops up, you see a button to like sign up. So this is the drivers we are trying to download. We are trying to download some drivers here, but it shows you this first. So I'll be signing in now. So when it shows you this, if you don't have an account, you can create an account here. But if you have an account, you just have to like sign in here. So I'll be doing this now. So once it gets here, you click on this, and click on continue. Very good. So it's asking for a verification. Okay. Alright, so once you are logged in, you see something like this. Let's look at the drivers now. Okay. So what we need is okay. Let that download. So you let that download. So let's wait for that download to be done. Yeah. Okay, so our yeah, okay, so let's do yeah, you do custom or you do express installation, or any of them is good. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, installation is okay. Installation has finished. Yeah. So what we'll do now is to come here and close. Our installation is done. So we can go to GIT Avatarify. Yeah, click it and come here. Click installation instructions, install instructions here, and So you go to Windows. Yeah. Okay, so this is Windows. This is all we need from here. Yeah, so come here, open the Miniconda this time. Miniconda, click CD. You can copy this from here. CD Avatarify Python, copy, click enter. Then you come here, click, you copy this one Windows bat, you copy it and click enter. Okay, so my camera light is on right now, so that means our installation has been done successfully. So like I said before, this is the installation for the gaming PCs, NVIDIA gaming laptops. This is the installation you do for that. So you can come here, so you can come here, click on this and click X with a better light, like I always say. If you are on this channel and you have spoken to me before, you always know I always say one thing. When you are using this, you do I always recommend using the natural light. Yeah, so I always recommend using natural light. There are 3 things that are important in Avatarify. It is not magic. Avatarify is not magic. If you are thinking about it as magic, stop thinking about it as magic. There are 3 things that you need in Avatarify. Number 1, you need a good network. Number 2, you need the right light. Now, I always recommend that you use natural light. It is the best, because if you think about deepfake, you have to train a face for days for deepfake to be able to catch everything, your nose, your eyes, everything properly. But this is Avatarify. It is simpler, it is straightforward. So you need light to be able to capture everything, your face and your eyes and everything. Now, that's the second thing. The third thing, which is one of the most important, in fact everything works together and they are important, it is the right picture. Look at this picture. Whenever you are trying to choose a picture, choose it with this picture. Size your picture like this. This is a perfect square. Size it like this. Look at this place. Look at where its chin reached. Size it like that. Even though the picture is a full picture, you just have to cut it to distance. Then you place your picture with these 3 things. Then and then only with these 3 things you can enjoy Avatarify. But if you start thinking Avatarify is magic and you put a full body picture on it, thinking it will start moving, and you are putting a picture that has a lot of space in between these places there. No, just when the best thing is when you are choosing a photo, open this one, use this one to model it, then you can be able to get the right thing. Avatarify is very easy to use, it is very simple to use. And again, there's a big disclaimer on this video, and that disclaimer is this is only for educational purposes. It is only for educational purposes. This video is only for educational purpose. Thank you very much. To get access to this file, you can send me a direct message. My number is on the description here. Send me a direct message, or you can just pay for the file with the link below. So you pay, you get the file immediately. You make payments with the link below. You can download it from there. It sends to your email directly. Thank you very much.